Yep, it's time for the drawing. First, for the siren. The winner is T-Bolt 1000T, and the winner of the ESL smoke detector is Soccer Dude 7330. This is the last one, so we're gonna make it, shake it up really good. There are lots of subscribers, so there's like almost 200 I had to like put in here, so. And the winner of the other ESL smoke detector is Video Gamer 2345. So congratulations. I need your address, and these will be shipped within the next week or two. Thank you.